Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to bring you a new mod I did on this car, but a warning about it if you're planning on doing something like this. It goes in the interior. Thought it was a good idea, looked really nice, but there's an issue with it. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what that is. So I wanted to dress it up a little bit in here, nothing crazy of course, but just add a nice little touch to kind of flow with the interior a little bit. I like the perforation here, but wanted something to protect it, to kind of flow. I put the little gloss in here. Like I said, just something to add to the interior. So I just picked these up. You can find these anywhere, Amazon, eBay. They're little covers, but they're partials. So they go on either side of the steering wheel. And it'll cover this area here. And you can get them in different finishes. They have leather ones and, you know, whatever your preference is. But they just snap on. So I thought, why not give it a shot? So let me go ahead and open these up and I'll show you the finish I got. So these are the carbon fiber faux finish, of course. Has a nice texture to it. I think it looks pretty cool. And like I said, they just snap on there. And they're super tight when you put them on too. So they don't slide at all. They kind of just fit in like that. If you're not wanting to, you know, replace your steering wheel, nothing like that, this is a good option. However, there is a problem with these that I wasn't aware of until I actually did all this, but I'll show you exactly how they look on the car. So this is them snapped on. Like I said, it's super tight. It's hard to even get them on there. But I thought it looked really good as that finish. Like I said, they don't move at all. But I had these on. I've left these on for probably, I don't know, 6 months. Maybe a little less. And the issue with these is it'll leave big indentations where it kind of goes over on the flat leather. It puts huge indentations in the leather. Now, it didn't do it on the perforation, but on the edges, on the top edge and the bottom edge where it hangs over on the smooth leather part, it did leave big, I wouldn't say gouges, but I mean, they indented really good into the leather of the steering wheel. So I threw them in the garbage and I used some heat and tried to work out the creases a little bit. Definitely helps, but you can slightly still see them. So I would highly advise against getting these things. They looked okay. Like I said, I thought they looked pretty cool at first, but then they will damage the steering wheel. And like I said, I've worked with it with a heat gun and worked them out pretty good, but still, you can still see them, you know, so I'm just accepted it. So if you guys are real meticulous about your car, I wouldn't mess around with these things. If you wanted to use like a steering wheel cover that covers the whole entire thing, that'd be a better option since they don't leave the hard points on it. And the problem with this is those edges. Like I said, it's so tight to get on. It just compressed the top and bottom parts a lot. So learn from my mistake. I would go a different route if you want. If you not want to spend a ton of money replacing the steering wheel like I've seen people do, that looks really good. A simple cover will suit you better in this situation and avoid damage when you go ahead and take it off for whatever reason. So I just want to share that with you guys. So hopefully you don't make the same mistake and ruin your steering wheel. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.